DesignoPro has been widely renowned for being a mind-blowing web-based application which allows customers to edit and create graphics and images with brilliant quality. Furthermore, DesignoPro applies vector-based designs within their software, which is one of the most modern techniques used in photo editing. Hence, the graphics always come out as dazzling as possible. Why should you get it? Firstly, let's face the hard truth. You already know you need beautiful designs in your online business. That includes regular images just as much as logos, banners and graphics. They're the face of your business, and the more professional a logo or website looks, the better you look in front of your visitors, email subscribers or paying customers. In fact, it's been proven that just by having a modern-looking design and beautiful websites you can improve your conversions between 33% and 225%. That means you could change nothing in your business except logos and banners, and you could double your profits, literally overnight. Not to mention, you need graphics in your videos. You need them. If you have an offline business, you need them for virtually every type of content you create. If you're not using professional graphics and images in your business, you're missing out potential leads and profits. Heck, you probably already know it, but so far, getting high-quality logos, banners, and designs like the gurus have has been difficult. You'd have to pay an expensive designer to do the work for you and wait days, if not weeks, to get it done. Software that promise you can do it yourself have been expensive and incredibly hard to use. And when you download your designs, they come out pixelated, blurry and all around low quality. Nobody else, no matter how talented, could replicate exactly what's in your head. So in the end you're frustrated and need to compromise in your business. That's reason DesignoPro was born to help you. Thirdly, DesignoPro has these features. Revolutionary design architecture. DesignoPro is using vectors instead of traditional pixels, which means your graphics will always look crisp and never blurry, no matter the size or purpose. 500+ built-in vector templates. Just fill in the blanks and get the highest quality possible from your graphics. And the best part? By using our breakthrough app, you're finally saying no to monthly fees, no to expensive software, and no to hard-to-use apps. React-made designs for any need. From professional logos to high-converting banners, infographics, flyers, book covers, cartoon characters and social media covers, we've got over 20 different categories full of innovative designs waiting for you. Stunning drag-and-drop editor. It's so easy to use, you'll be shocked no one thought of a solution this simple before. Just click, click, click and you're done. Full integration with video creators. Because DesignoPro is using SVG vectors, all the designs can be exported and used inside video creators like Explaindio and Easy Sketch Pro. Full compatibility built in from day one. One-click export. You can instantly download your designs and use them on your sites, in your videos, or just print them. The vector templates are just so versatile. You can use them however you need. Even on shirts, Pro features built in. You can upload your own SVG vectors and start not editing right away. Make use of our fully fledged layer system or tweak your text with over 50+ premium